guys, hello again, we're back. If you're new to my channel, welcome guys, bakit ngayon lang kayo? If you like BLs, you're in the right channel, so please subscribe. If you're not new to my channel, welcome back guys. Today, we are watching another surprise BL.
Welcome back.
Welcome back everybody! But before anything else guys, please follow at Luino Boutique on Instagram, Facebook, Shopee, TikTok, Luino-Boutique on Lazada, and at Luino Lux on Instagram and on TikTok. Actually, we're not sure kung operational pa yung aming Shopee kasi medyo matagal na siyang idle. But if you're interested with our stuff, you can just message us on Instagram or on Facebook. Buhay pa rin ang Luino guys, and Luino Lux, do not worry, just PM us for any inquiries. Thank you. Okay guys, welcome back. Welcome 2026. This is officially our first video for 2026. We're back! Pasensya na guys kung medyo matagal kaming bumalik. Nag-break kami ng ilang buwan. Tapos yung mga sinashare ko sa inyo are our trips. Like yung Thailand, yung Hong Kong, yun yung mga pinakita ko sa inyo. But now we're back. We're back with our reaction videos. And I'm so happy na ang daming nakamiss sa ating reaction videos. Ang dami naming na-miss. Pasensya na. Medyo gumulo yung schedule last year, at the end of last year. Kasi nga, as I explained, umuwi yung sister ni Paul, umuwi yung mom ko, sabay-sabay. So we had to focus on that. Tapos medyo meron pang mga naisingit na trips. So pasensya na guys, but we're back! And we are excited. Oy, na-miss ko to in all fairness. Na-miss ko kayo. Na-miss ko kayo, guys. Ang tagal namin hindi nakapanood ng BL. Hindi kami nanonood ng kahit anong BL kasi nga baka may magsabi na, ay, napanood nyo na, ano, reactan nyo naman, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Ay, may pinapanood pala ako. Isa. Every time na meron kaming trip, may pinapanood ako sa plane. And this is yung Dangerous Romance si Chimon and ni Perth. In all fairness. In all fairness, pinanood natin yun parang hanggang episode 4. Hanggang episode 4 ata kami ni Paul or episode 2. Yeah, tapos ako, natuloy-tuloy ko na siya, nasa parang episode 7 na ako. In all fairness, paganda siya ng paganda per episode. Hindi ko rin alam actually kung bakit ko pinanood yung Dangerous Romance. Knowing na wala na ang Perth Chimon. Knowing na ayaw na ni Chimon mag-BL. So parang sinasaktan ko lang yung sarili ko. Na siya. Hindi ko alam kasi parang nagka-mental problem siya after shooting yung Dangerous Romance. Sayang, ang ganda ng chemistry nila ni Perth sa Dangerous Romance. I have yet to finish that but I'm liking it. Anyway, so itong papanoorin namin ngayon, no introductions required. Feeling ko alam nyo na kung ano yung papanoorin namin yun. It's like the most viral BL of 2025. Yeah. Pati yung mga friends namin na hindi ko akalaing nanonood ng BL, nagme-message sa amin asking if napanood na namin siya sa volleyball games namin. Pinag-uusapan nila itong BL na to, which surprised us because I didn't think they were watching it. I have like cousins messaging me. I have friends, yun nga, personal friends, nagme-message, uy, napanood nyo na ba to? Bakit hindi nyo pa naman panoorin nyo please, kailangan nyo panoorin to. Ganun yung mga messaging nila. So, eto na, pinramis ko naman sa inyo, we are watching this now. And medyo bibilisan natin yung pacing guys. I would just like to inform everybody na tatry kong mag-double time. With editing, with shooting, tatry namin mag-double time. Kasi gusto ko rin kayong lapagan kahit weekday. Alam niyo yun, basta natapos ako mag-edit, hindi ko na siya isa-schedule ng Friday to Sunday. Basta natapos ko siya, lapag. Kasi kapag iniintay ko pa siya, guys, lalo tayong tumatagal. Diba? Do you agree? Pero syempre, pag hindi kaya na-schedule, ang ano natin is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Pero if not, kung nakaya ko, like, maaga ako natapos, post natin agad. Para mas mabilis tayo matapos, mas marami tayong mapanood because marami lapagan GMMTV by 2026. Hindi tayo pwede magpahuli. So, ayan. I think you know what we're gonna watch. Do you? O you have an idea?
Die Hard 4.
Die Hard 4. BL ba yun? Hindi ko alam na BL yun. Basta yun, I'm excited. We're excited to be back. Kaya wag natin patagal ito guys. Let's go. Okay guys, before we start, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na hindi ko alam kung paano ko to i-edit. Itatry kong gayahin muna yung kay Revenged Love, yung may naka-cover dito kasi feeling ko medyo strict ito bilang international BL siya. So, kung naiirita kayo na may harang dito, pasensya na. Panoorin nyo na lang yung reaction namin. That's what we're here for. Oo. And yung mga magre-reklamo dyan na, bakit may harang? Bakit hindi nyo i-clear? Baka hindi pwede. Pero I will try na merong harang. I will try na wala. Kung ano yung napapanood nyo, yun yung pumasa. Ganun lang kasimple. Okay? Game. Ready. 1, 2, 3, play. Actually, hindi ko pa alam kung saan ko kukunin yung insert dito.
Shane Hollander, I wanted to introduce myself.
Ay, ito talaga yung umpisa na?
Oh, I'm not sure you're supposed to smoke here.
Ito talaga yung umpisa na. Like, nagpakilala sila agad.
Okay.
Okay. So he's Russian.
You're an awesome player to watch.
Yes. What is this?
Alam niyo na guys, we're watching Heated Rivalry!
Oh my god!
Ay, hindi mo pala alam. Akala ko alam mo ano paparoon natin. Wala na ba ibang super nag-viral na BL ng 2025?
Anyways, I should go. They're waiting for me, but good luck in the tournament.
Oh, wait, so they don't know each other.
You will not be so nice when we beat you.
That's not happening.
Ito talaga yung start niya guys. Pasensya na, ito yung nakuha kong kopya. Ito yung pinapanood namin. Ito the episode 1. So,
It may be cold in Saskatchewan, but here at the International Prospect
Uganda?
Cup, fans are hoping for something
Yeah, it's
hot on the
Canadian.
ice. Canada-Russia final showcasing the two most talked about prospects in the world. Canada's Shane Hollander and Russia's Ilya Rozanov.
okay.
First, we've got Ottawa's own Shane Hollander. From everything we've seen and heard, he may not be the most sociable, but this is the kid with the highest hockey IQ out there.
Incredibly smart, incredibly dedicated to the game, and incredibly fast.
my gosh. Ngayon lang ata ako nakapanood ng BL guys na hindi ko kailangan basahin yung subtitle. Ang sarap.
You've got Russia's Ilya Rozanov.
Ako nabasa ko.
Strong on the front,
Sobra
and
yun.
a strong skater.
Hindi, alam, binabasa ko pa rin, pero hindi ako naghahabol. Hindi kagaya ng sa Thai or sa Chinese.
Not exactly liked in his opponent's room.
My kind of player.
Boston's kind of player too.
So they watch each other. Bakit I have a feeling guys, dedire-diretso yun namin.
A heartbreaking loss for a young Canadian team still searching for an identity despite an incredible showing from the teenage phenom,
Shane
Shane Hollander. He just couldn't get past that elite Russian defense.
Ano ba sila supposedly? Are they supposed to be college students?
See the drift.
Heated rivalry. Okay, at least the title explains itself. So they're rivals. If I'm not mistaken pati guys, this has been greenlit for 2 more seasons. So marami tayong aabangan.
Hey boys, looking over here. Hey, flash me those numbers. Number 3 is excited. There's 1. Where's number 2? There we go.
Anong number 1, number 2, number 3?
First pick, second pick.
Ganon.
I think.
First draft, second draft.
Tell you how excited Montreal is about this. We don't carry Caitlin, I think, too.
Okay.
We
Second
pop
draft nga
champagne
siya.
all over Quebec. Oh, and just to be clear.
Oh my gosh, I know him! He's the guy from Niptak. Alam mo yung Niptak?
We historically broke the barriers, and we did it again, so nothing to worry about there.
You certainly have. And I mean to be a part of the most legendary franchise.
Kung may nagtatanong ko ano yung kinakain ni Paul, popcorn. Kita ko
I'm
channel.
still shocked, but I'm so excited.
Part of hockey.
Ang tari. Ang daming titigan na.
Eh, kasi mag-rivals nga daw sila.
We're not passing on a kid this strong with those hands, not in Boston, Mr. Rozanov. It's a very natural #1 pick. Congratulations.
O siya nga yung number 1 pick.
He is a strong. He needs a discipline. He can't be, how you say, lazy.
Ay, tapos di ba they were picked
Hard to believe
by
the way
different
he
teams,
plays.
di ba? So hindi sila magkakampi.
Very hard for you.
I have no doubt you will, son.
And you know what? Ang galing kasi he's not Russian. Pero ang galing ng accent niya. We know nothing about this BL guys. Kumbaga naririnig lang namin siya. Pero I know it's about hockey and alam ko sila yung magka-partner. Pero like yung mga eksena wala pa ako nakikita at all. Lalo na to. So this is like
Raw.
almost a blind reaction talaga. Madilim ba talaga? Or TV natin?
Hindi. Yung cop.
Yung copy.
Yeah.
Pirated kasi galing Divisoria, guys. Galing Divisoria. Probably kung ano yung napapanood nyo dito sa Inset, yun yung pinapanood namin. Siyempre si Kuya to, di ba? And tama ba guys? 8 episodes lang siya. Curie na ito ni ano, no? Ni Shane. Ang weird niya lang umitay. Grabe sila, no? Instant superstars. Very ano, ang peg. Very bright win.
Are they competing?
So, dalawa.
They are.
How?
Ayan, kaparabilisan sila.
Eh, nauna to eh.
Di Papabilis siya ng pagpedal.
Isip. Para sila nagpapataasan ng ihi. Oh, tapos. Why are they in the same gym?
Nasa ano pa sila eh?
What a fucking day, huh?
Yeah, totally.
Nasa?
Doon sa hotel ata or
Is
something.
everything you dreamed of?
Doon sa draft.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Ang cute.
Let me know.
Montreal is nice, yes?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Boston is nice too.
Think so? People like it there.
I wonder why they didn't cast a real Russian guy.
We will be seeing each other a lot.
Or is he Russian? Wala lang siyang accent. Ang alam ko kasi he's just doing the accent for this
Montreal play against each other often.
for this series. La 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 la
Wala
la.
mo makita?
Ah, is he gay? Itong si, anong, Ilya yung isa eh. Anong name nito isa? Kilala ko lang si Shane Hollander. Ay. Wala kami nakita dun sa black. Dito sa green may nakita. Dapat gray or white. K, wag black. Ay. Hala! Hala! Ano po yun? Oh my gosh! Kinikilabututan ako. Napakabilis na mga pangyayari.
Si Kuya.
Ay, kinindatan niya siya.
Eh.
Oo. Six months later. Hala! Paano
Bilis
nyo
naman
natagalan nyo ng 6 months? Who is this? Is this Ilya?
Что за хрень?
Ay, okay.
Почему папа меня звонит?
Sana maganda yung story nito, no? Hindi lang siya like about them.
Красавчик. Ты что несешь? Все в порядке с папой. Да потому что ты, придурок, проиграл гребаный матч.
Какого хрена ты от меня хочешь, Алексей?
Oh, is he really Russian?
Ты можешь мне еще денежку кинуть?
У меня больше нет денег, Алексей. Мой бонус закончится, братан. Ты почти весь его выехал.
Ah, okay. So feeling ko dito manggagaling yung story. No? Na parang ginagawa siyang cash cow ng pamilya. Mas gusto ko kasi mga ganitong problema, guys, kaysa yung school setting na yung asimple-simple ng mga problema, no?
Сделаем счет, папа. Я знаю, мы уже не играем за золото, но мы все сделаем.
Не плевать на мы. Ты ему не проиграешь.
To who?
To ano?
What a
Shane.
comeback for Canada. A huge win for the hometown boys tonight, who were determined to not lose to Russia on home ice 2 years in a row.
Ah, so they won. Talo siya. Talo yung Russia.
See you in October.
Lalalala. Ginilig yung pesaya sa akin.
Ano, bakit si... Oh. Tingnan ulit? Ano?
Alright, that's perfect. You
Ah,
can
every
just
season.
ready to go, okay? Just stay there, hold please.
6 months ang isang season ng hockey?
You're wearing makeup too.
Где бы дай помочь прийти.
Really, can you just try to hit those marks at the same time? That would be the skate out, skate or show me a lot of intensity, alright?
So sila pa rin yung like top 2
Ano
best
to, movie?
players. No, this is a series.
Hindi, yung ginagawa niya.
Ah, yung parang mga
something.
parang yung mga promo.
Great, okay, one more time.
Alam mo sa PVL, di ba may mga shoot din sila para pakita yung mga teams, tapos yung opening billboard, ganyan. Feeling ko ito yan.
3, 2, 1, and back. Okay, I get it, guys. It's been a long day, I know. Let's just try it with a lot of intensity.
Ang cute na mag-sorry! Sorry.
Okay, one more time, guys. The more serious we can do, the quicker we can get home. Go ahead.
Hala,
I'm sorry.
ang cute na. I'm sorry.
No, I can do it, I promise.
And 3, 2, 1, go ahead.
Hala.
Okay, I think we have what we are. Thanks, guys.
Sumuko na yung production.
Just so long. I don't know, like 2 days ago.
Sila lang yung nagko-commercial. Silang dalawa lang.
Why? What did they tell you? No, they told me nothing. It was my idea.
Shane nga
are you
pala niya.
listening to me?
Shane Hollander pala.
Yeah?
Okay, so what did I just say?
Sneakers, I heard.
Okay, you have
Ano
to be
totoo
seeing
na
the
pangalan?
movie
I know, Mom.
because you cannot be in anything else.
Mom, I'm always wearing skates.
But in case you're not, this is a lot of money, Shane. You're the youngest hockey player that ever signed to a deal. And remember what else this means.
I remember.
A whole lot of kids are going to be looking up to you. Kids that don't see themselves here a lot.
I get it, Mom.
Is he openly gay? What did she mean na kids who don't see themselves a lot? Yum! Although sa kanila normal yan eh. No? Uy! Ay, ang ganda ng puwet niya. Yeah. No? Ni Ilya. Yum! Nakita niyo yan dito sa inset. Ako baka mabantay sa YouTube. Yummers naman pala. Ay, hala. Maharap siya. This kind of reminds me of, alam mo, yung Taiwanese BL, your name engraved herein. What is he doing? Oh my gosh. La. Hala!
Crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Walang tao dyan?
Not here.
Wala ibang tao dyan?
So, look. You can forget that happened in there.
Why?
Okay?
Why? Bakit mo yun kakalimutan? Ang sarap naman
Is
ikaw.
what you want? Yeah, for sure.
So parang ano na sila, no? They both know they're gay.
Well, you're a really big liar.
Tapos they both know they have to hide it. But they like each other. La. Oh my gosh! Tapos tatanggalin niya yung towel niya.
What is your room number?
Oh my gosh.
Ganda ng katawan niya.
I know, yum. What is your room
1410.
number?
If
Ala!
it comes to 1410 tonight, it's wonderful.
Magkaka-heart attack ako dito.
I might not.
Pucha,
Oh my
galing kausap.
That was so sexy. Siguro, ala.
Gaga, may gala sila.
Meron ba?
Shoota ka.
Akala ko nag-prepare siya para sa date. Wala. Badet. It was for that.
For what?
Kasi papasok siya dyan. Naabangan niya siya pumasok. Yun na. Hindi, nandun na siya.
No.
Natatakot lang siya kumato. Ay, hindi. Akala ko nasa door na siya. Natatakot lang siya kumato.
Oh.
Naku po.
Hello there. Oh, I'm trying to go down.
This is going on. So,
That's the mom.
Yeah, that's the mom of Shane.
What? I'm up.
Ay, wait. Supposed to be dun ba siya sa floor na yun? Hindi,
Hindi,
14th
pababa
floor.
daw siya eh.
14th floor siya.
Did he knock already?
Oh, he's inside.
no, I'm not a shit.
Ala. Uy, may gusto kasi. Heart attack ako dito.
Hoy! Stop!
Want to sit?
Ah.
Really? This is such a bad idea.
Oh my god.
Look, this.
Crazy, my gosh. Gusto ko yung ganyan, yung, alam mo yun, yung wala na tayong usap-usap, may pagkakaintindihan tayo, ramdam kita, ramdam mo ko, ganun.
Bakla kami, paano mo magkakaroon na gano'n sa siya nga kanina?
Hindi, yun na nga. Di ba wala mausap-usap? Alam na nilang bet nilang isa't isa. Wala man lang
Mas
question.
pwede sa gano'n sa pakiramdaman, te. Ay, talo.
Wala yung ginawa naman niya sa CR, hindi pa
Ayun
ba
lang, obvious na yun.
Bakit ang dilim? Buksan niyo yung ilaw.
Baka kumatok yung nanay mo, te. Sumali pa dyan.
Yan. Ang dilim, nabubwisit ako. La.
Notong-nota naman si Kuya Mez.
Ah, nakahubad na ba siya? Di ba may pants pa siya? Eh, pero ano, doon lang sa mga nanonood, FYI, usually, yung ganito, only last yung kapag hanggat hindi nyo pa nagagawa. Meron mga ganito na once nakapag-sex na kayo, tapos na, wala na, di ba?
Ah, so it comes from experience siya.
Another player?
Gusto ko siya kaniksi.
My coach is some back in Russia.
Gusto ko siya kaniksi sa may pinto.
Hindi, ayun yung pinto, sa kabila.
Oh, okay.
I like trouble. Aren't you scared of getting caught? No. It was nothing serious and we had same secret, so it was just serious.
First time, akala ko siya nga yung gay eh.
Siguro, pero hindi pa siya
You make me curious.
ganap na ganap.
Taray nung You Make Me Curious.
Do I make you curious? Would you like sucking that cock?
Oh my God.
Those words just a lot, it's tough. Yes. Yes. You want me to lie on the bed and let you do some more? Let me. Yeah.
My gosh.
Eh, siya yung mas may ano eh. May
Nakabad na pala siya.
experience.
No fair.
Hindi ako
I wanted
naniniwala.
to see you. Saw him in the showers. Yeah, I want more.
Grabe yung mga katawan nila.
Ito lalo.
Pakibukas yung ilaw naman.
Okay. Come here.
Ay, bakit ka nakamedyas ko eh?
So, what do you want to do? I don't know.
Akala ko ba,
Is this okay?
at saka nung nag-uusap kayo at nagpapaalamanan kayo,
Very first time naman ng isa.
ha? Eh, inano niya na tong isa. Oh my God, wow. Wow.
Plaster naman yan.
Hindi, kahit na. In fairness, they executed it.
Pero ang hirap niya na. Ang hirap gawin niya na naka-plaster siya. Tapos
Oo, kasi-
gaganyan-ganyan ka.
Hindi. Pero kasi nasa harap ka ng ilang tao.
Hindi ko ako totohanin na natin.
Ay, tapos na.
It was too fast.
True.
Not bad for first time. Huge Russian. Okay. It was fun.
Oh, nag-aalis na siya?
Are you serious? What? What? Do you need something? You think I'm an asshole? I know you're an asshole. I would not treat you like that. No?
Take it down.
Let me show you how to do this good.
Ay, gusto ko yun.
Holy shit, Rosemary. Holy shit, Rosemary, you better get off. I can't stop.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't think. What? That you would come so quick? Fuck you. You didn't have to. Never mind.
Well, they're athletes, so malamang clear sila medically.
This is, yes.
This is crazy.
Ang lala nito eh. First episode pa
I
lang.
want a cigarette. Smoking is not free. Oh, is it? So, you're not gonna tell anyone about this, are you? Me. Yes, Hollander, I'm going to tell everyone.
Because no one can know.
Неужели?
Hindi.
I think that was
Hollander,
Russian.
look, I'm not going to tell anyone. Okay?
Why would he tell anyone? Eh di, masira rin siya.
I have early flight tomorrow, so...
Yeah, me too.
See you in 6 months.
So, literal casual ano to.
Yeah.
Up. Uy, alis ka nung... Oh, wala niya. Akala ko alis siya nang walang damit eh.
Yeah, minsan may ganong feeling eh, no? Yung pag nalabas mo na, okay, bye.
Yeah, parang ganun.
Good night.
Night.
Ako, si bakla, palibasa first time. Parang tinamaan siya agad na malali.
Ganun yung gusto ko, yung walang definitive top, walang definitive bottom.
Wala pa.
Di ba? Kasi sa Thailand uso yung ano eh, kailangan may feminine, may masculine, no?
Good. About time.
Are you looking forward to meeting Shane Hollander?
He's goalie now, I guess.
Hey, Ilya, at the beginning of the season, you said you were going to score 40 goals your rookie season. Do you still feel like that's going to happen?
No. Never said 40 goals. He's lie. Liar told you that. I said 50.
What a fucking asshole.
This was 2009
Yung setting?
na, kasi kanina 2008. Eh naka 2 seasons na sila.
Sorry, I'm late.
It's 15 minutes. Don't even worry about it.
No, we don't care. You're usually on time.
Yeah, my workout went longer than expected, and I got lost on this YouTube rabbit hole.
No, it's fine. I ordered for you salmon brown rice. Okay.
Is that the mom?
So,
Yeah.
I have very exciting
And
news.
the Dutch.
Rolex is in.
Wow.
Let me pull up the email, and I quote.
So manager niya yung mom
Shane
niya.
is exactly the kind of young athlete and young man that Rolex wants to be associated with.
Para nakikita ko na kung
He's
saan to
smart,
pupunta.
He's serious. He's handsome. That's an understatement.
Parang ma...
And we believe he will be hockey's most significant ambassador.
If he comes out, pati yung quote-unquote business ng mom niya mawawala.
Yeah.
YouTube is like a video portal site.
I'm not convinced I know what any of those words mean.
So rabbit hole is where you watch a video and it keeps recommending other videos and you just keep clicking them.
Oh, wala pang YouTube. Di pa sikat yung YouTube nung panahon na to.
All the time.
Of course you do, Mom.
What was yours about?
Fancy watches?
Hey, you pick it.
I'm just keeping up.
Unlikely animals becoming friends, like a tiger and a bear, a cow and a duck.
I wonder why
Snake and a
ang
baby.
setting nito is 2008.
I watched that.
Well, you should be watching other ones about hockey.
Eh kasi nung time na yun, hindi mo masyadong
what
open
a
yung
snake and
kagaya
baby
natin.
sounds pretty important.
Kahit naman ngayon eh, sa hockey.
Closeted sila.
Oh, I saw a link
Tayo.
to
Or dahil ba like sa social media. Ayaw nila na may social
First
media.
of all, do you remember at the beginning of the season he told someone, I can't remember who anyway, he told him that he was going to score 40 goals.
Kaya pala yung phone niya yung luma.
So yesterday in Boston, he said he meant 50. 50 goals.
Yeah, he's an asshole.
Yeah, the nerve. Fuck him. I'm sorry, but I don't get it.
Gagawin ng anak mo yun. You will fuck him. Ay, yun na sakto. Gagawin nila yun later, mami.
Siguro naman guys, alam nyo na dapat this is like our 18th, not for our kids.
This guy seems to have some ideas. Are they going to do this? Are they going to give the people what they want? Desjardins is going to give it to them.
Magkalaban sila?
He's really going to do this.
Dahil ewan ko kung team ka lang.
Listen to that crowd. And there you have it.
Ayan, oh.
Ilya Rozanov versus Shane Hollander.
Akala ko ba goalie siya?
Will you disappoint them?
No?
Mais un but d'El Fessor, ton premier contre Zanov, ça doit faire du bien.
Je suis content de d'être une fois très doucement.
Mais un contre Zanov.
Encore, je suis content d'être eu le but.
Et les mises à jeu.
Moi, je suis ici pour l'équipe. Je suis ici pour gagner. Je m'en fous pas du détail.
Et que penses-tu en comparaison à Tiger Woods et Serena Williams? Penses-tu partager les mêmes défis qu'eux, si on se comprend?
Je pense pas des
True
choses.
story ba to?
Je suis super heureux de jouer au hockey pour le Metros.
Мистер Холландер, как это быть идеальным? Просто отлично. Спасибо, что спросили. Еще на французском.
20 тысяч баксов? Черт возьми, я рад, что ты все со слухом в порядке. Для чего на этот раз? Чтоб трахнуть тебя.
Это, блядь, последний раз.
Да, хорошо,
Ay, di mo
хорошо.
ko bigyan.
Нет правил.
Здесь уже полночь, Алексей. Ой, у тебя все всегда какие-то тупые отговорки, Илья.
Как папа?
Твою мать, какая фигня с папой?
Папа в порядке, Илья. Мы тут и без тебя проживем. Иди ты нахер, Илья!
Tara, yung mga bigyan ng pera yung hayop.
hayop.
Вчера по телефону он попросил меня принести домой немного хлеба.
Alam mo, feeling ko hindi niya binibigay sa dad niya yung
Ну,
pera.
тупой.
Itong kapatid niya.
Yeah.
Спокойной ночи, Алексей. Утром первым делом, Илья.
Or hindi talaga nag-a-ask yung dad niya for money. Ang bilis naman ng time jump dito.
Here we are at the MLH All-Star Game, and
Hindi
the theme
magkakampi
this year
sila.
is Team Hollander versus Team Rozanov.
Ayan.
Oh, I'm sorry, I read that wrong. It's Team North America versus Team Europe.
It's not subtle. Anytime the league can figure out a way to get these two kids in each other's faces, they're gonna do it.
Siyempre, ganun sila sa...
Ang galing nung ano, no? Lagi silang pinaglalaban, pero naglalaplapan sila. Behind the scenes.
Yes.
Shane, kind of saying to you, you scored 31 goals. Any chance you want to speculate as to how the season's going to end for you guys?
No chance at all.
Question for India first. Could it be the same for Shane? Boston is an original six legendary team that has struggled to get to the playoffs for the past 3 seasons. How much pressure do you feel from the fans, from the hockey world in general, to restore Boston to its former glory, and how much of that do you find personal?
Haba ng pag.
Sorry not to jump the gun here, but with Rosanov's permission, I know it's only been 2 seasons since Montreal's made the playoffs, but I think I get the idea. So look, my mom is the world's biggest Metros fan. She's obsessed. And like all Metros fans, she wants us to be back in the playoffs regularly, and she wants us to win some cups. And I want the same thing. I want to be in the playoffs, and I want to win some cups. Feel pretty aligned with the fans, because we want the same thing. And at this point, it's my job to take that personally.
What do you say?
And here's the shot accuracy competition featuring Gas, Shane Hollander, and Ilya Rozanov.
The record for this event currently held by the New York Admirals Scott Hunter is 4 takedowns in 8 seconds.
And Rozanov breaks the record. There you go.
He's a big kid with a big shot.
Ano to? Ewan ko.
That was something else, I'll tell you that.
Let's go! Shane Hollander just shaved over a second off the record that Ilya Rozanov just set.
If that isn't a good night and good luck, I don't know what is.
Good job.
Thanks.
You have fun last night?
Last night?
With your team? Get dinner, get drunk?
Oh, yeah. I mean, I had fun, but I didn't get drunk. You?
No, it was great. No boring Canadians, no stupid Americans,
So what, just a bunch of Finnish guys talking about the cousins they're in love with?
I think I'm going to bed early tonight.
Oh, yeah?
I'll do too long.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
Nice shooting, Rook.
Thanks.
Glad to see Rosanov didn't hold my record for more than a minute. What do you want, by the way?
Talking, shit talking.
He's an asshole, right?
Yeah, basically.
Lucky me. You never even got word of him in the hotel.
Oh my gosh!
Grabe yung kwarto, ah. Alam niyo what's interesting to me now? Paano nila ipaglalaban yung love nila?
Yeah.
Sa lahat.
He's someone chasing you.
I'm standing in the hallway like an idiot. Scott Hunter is right next door.
Ito nakausap. Taray. Grabe yung mga butt exposure dito. Hindi talaga pwedeng pang YouTube. So talagang dapat may takip.
Hello, ang gaganda naman ng mga pit nila. So, dapat talaga i-expose yan.
Pasensya na kayo sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood nito. Hindi nyo makita yung part nila. Hindi pa. Grabe, bilog na bilog my gosh. Naku po.
You also.
Ay, very good. May consent. I love it.
You're scared.
I'm not scared.
No, he's okay.
I'm not scared.
You ever touch yourself yet?
Jesus, man.
Why? Does touching your ex make you gay?
No.
Because you know what else makes you gay is sucking my dick.
Shut up. Fuck.
It's so funny.
Trying to say I have a thing, okay?
The thing.
A dildo.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, so he's gay.
What color?
Fuck you. I'm leaving.
No, Thunder, I want to fuck you.
Not here. Oh, fucking sweater next door.
He's hot. You should let him listen like Nathan Call.
You like that one?
You probably would too.
Okay. So next time.
Very good.
Next time?
Ay, hindi. Gusto niya.
Yeah. Where are we?
Where would we what?
Me?
You were homeless.
No.
And we meet at your house.
It's an apartment.
Hollander, you are having panic attack.
No.
It's just a plan to fuck.
Eh, ba yan?
What?
Hindi pinakita.
I know we talked about Montreal in 2 weeks, but...
Oh my god, Hollander, you were so bored.
Give me your phone.
You have phone.
Give.
Gano'ng kahaba ba ito per episode? Sinave na yung number niya?
So, what's my name gonna be?
James.
Lily and Jane.
Ayun na, 2 weeks later na.
What's up here?
Siyempre, kate-kate, di ba?
Sure.
2 linggo, my God.
Fuck you.
Hey, sorry, boys. No one's getting to Montreal today. 2 feet of snow.
Yun lang.
It's a night off, boys. Yeah, whatever.
If whoever she is, we can meet over.
I also like na... Ay, Chinagana. Chinagana? I also like na hockey yung sport. Kasi sinasabi nila na
Hey, you don't want to come over to my place for dinner tonight, do you? What?
masyadong
This is
manly
your
ang
game?
hockey, di ba?
Come for dinner. Jackie said it's cool. Oh, that's my wife. She threw on some steaks. I'm on a macrobiotic diet. Buddy, I don't even know what that means. Jackie, good game. You okay? Yeah, I guess. Hey, if you have other plans, that's totally cool. No, I want to watch you eat my disgusting food. Let's do it. Fuck yes! Oh my god, Jackie's gonna be so happy. She's obsessed with being the first wag to feed you. I'm gonna test her right now, actually. Bird food only.
Oh, ba't siya umuo? Kasi hindi to nagre-reply?
Hindi mo siya makakalipad eh.
Hindi, andyan na siya eh.
Saan? No, hindi nga sila natuloy yung flight. Ano ba?
Господи!
Сюрприз!
Светлана, я думал, ты вернулась в Москву. Что ты здесь делаешь?
Ну, я вообще застаралась из себя, но я уже об этом жалею.
Да, это в твоем духе.
Иди к черту, меня.
This is a girlfriend?
Как ты знала,
Что
что...
проявлю в мире, а потом было объявлено, козел.
Oh.
Ты мне недостоин, мне пора.
What?
Ладно, теперь я действительно ухожу. Ты кусок дерьма. Развлекайся с Джейн.
Oh my gosh.
What the heck?
Grabe, anong taon na ba?
Shane Hollander, the Montreal Metros. Vincent Lemaire, the Minnesota Nomads. Julia Wozniak.
Tara ni Vincent, nasali pa.
Na-sandwich pa.
Ay, siya nanaling.
Wait lang guys, ha?
Tubig na sa yung warm water, please.
I'd better just be ginger ale, Rook.
It is Mr. Hunter. I wouldn't indulge in front of you. Congrats, man. Thank you.
What would you say if,
Yung nasa...
me and some of the other old fucks
Lagyan mo na lang
wanted to
yung
do some
basa.
shots with $3? Would you be into that?
Fuck yes, I would.
Okay, well, where's your boy Rosenau?
My what?
No, I mean, not your boy, just like, I was, Hollander Rosenau, right? I just thought.
I don't know where he is.
Nanonood pa rin ako, ah.
Or anything.
No worries, man. No worries, I'm sure someone else grabbed him. Hey.
Okay, one more. Ako po, malalasing sila parehas. Ang haba nung episodes. Butak sa pag-i-edit.
Mainit ba?
Ayan na, nagkita na sila sa wakas.
I don't know if it's worth jumping over.
He's
Or
more.
Gale Gunn.
Di ba sabi
Oh,
niya
he does
kanina?
nga pala. Di ba yung first meeting nila, nag-UOC siya?
I'm not.
Good for you. Good night for you.
Yeah, well, we could have done either one of us.
One to you.
So what? So you're just up here sulking because what? You couldn't take another victory lap around me? All you do is beat me. I win one stupid fucking thing. You couldn't even show your face down there. What was that?
Not everything is about you, Hollander.
So what is it then?
What the fuck do you want?
May nakakarinig sa inyo, mga bakla kayo.
And what? You're just fucking you, Hollander. Check it out. Fuck.
They say this about hockey players, na hot-headed sila.
I go home in 3 days.
Okay. Must be nice.
So tapos na yung season nila.
Baka. Ang basa ko dito, parang ito si
I guess I thought maybe.
Rozanov, parang gusto niyang magseryoso with him.
Pero hindi nga pwede. Alam naman nila yung both
Sabi niya.
Never mind.
I thought maybe we...
Okay.
Never mind.
I love you.
Ala.
I guess I'll see you next season.
Hindi mahirap kasi, no? Para lang silang fubo.
Halikan niya siya.
Halikan ka na. Sabi ko na oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Diyos ko dahil pag may nakakita sa inyo.
Oh, Diyos ko mami, ang career.
What the fuck are you doing? We're both in tuxedos out in public.
No one is looking.
You don't know that.
Well, if you find that person,
Oo.
na
ka
willing
nang
ka nang i-risk
Yeah.
everything.
See you next season. Hollander.
The fact na sinabi niya he's leaving in 3 days, that means he wanted to see you or spend time with you.
Hindi nga kasi nga sinabi ni Shane na I thought we were going to... Tapos never mind. Ang ganda nung shot. In there. Okay. Woo! My gosh. So it's, from a novel. Okay guys, that's it. Oh my gosh.
Crazy.
In all fairness, ganito yung gusto kong BL. Yung fast-paced. Sobrang fast-paced. Parang naka-2 taon na ata tayo. Pero yung fast-paced, wala na yung parang teeny bopper-ish na parang, gusto mo ako. Hindi kita gusto. Hindi. Gusto ba kita? Ayoko na nung ganun. Nakaka-stress. At least ito, diretsahan. And when that happens kasi, for me, meron kang maipapasok na storyline na iba. Hindi yun yung main issue natin na whether you like me or not, am I gay or am I not. Gas-gas na siya, in my opinion, for a BL. Ako preference ko lang. Pero may times din naman na gusto namin yung mga cute BLs, ganyan. Naghahanap lang talaga ako ng ganito. This is more my pace. I like this. And gusto ko yung usapan nila very direct, very blunt. Pero it's not bastos.
Yeah.
For us, kasi ganun talaga yung normal na usapan eh. Tapos parang kuhang-kuhan nila yung, lalo na dun sa umpisang part, yung parang titigan ng mga Becky. Yun nga yung sinabi ko rin kanina na hindi mo na kailangan tanungin. Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-usap. Alam nyo na yun. Base lang sa
Hindi. Ako hindi. Kailangan mag-usap. Kasi mahirap mga pate.
Mahina ang gaydar na to eh.
Mahirap mga pa.
Pero yung base kasi sa ginagawa nyo, base sa tinginan, yung tipong tatabihan ka sa...
Hindi siya ako kasi mahina loob ko eh.
Hindi, kumbaga, he's giving hints na nga eh. Halimbawa, ikaw si Shane. Si Ilya bigla kang tinabihan dun sa...
Ay, kahit no.
Hindi, tapos, after mo, umupo ka dun, tinapatang ka pa niya. Tapos face to face, nakabuka ka.
Eh, tsaka mahihain ako eh.
Pero, alam mo yun, that's the genius of it, in my opinion. Hindi kailangan ng dialogue. Hindi kailangan ng arte. Yung tipong ganung eksena lang na, okay, gets ko na. Tapos bigla na lang sila magsasabihan ng room number. Alam na natin yung gusto natin gawin.
Yeah.
In all fairness, they encapsulated that. Yung tipong sex agad, tsaka na natin kilalanin yung isa't isa, sex muna, ganyan. It's very normal in our circle. So, very good, in all fairness. And I like how they executed the sex scenes. Nakaka-arouse, but at the same time, it's not bastos.
Yeah.
And hindi nila ginagatasan. Tipong parang 2 minutes na sila naghahalikan.
Pero walang ganap.
Tapos saka palang bababa. Yung ganyan. Parang hindi. Binibigay na sa'yo na okay, ito yung ginawa nila, ganyan yung nangyari, I like it. I'm liking this.
Me too.
And I want to see more. But for now, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, share this to your friends. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button so you'll be updated every time I have a new upload. Do whatever you have to do, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Shop Louie and Louie New Lux, everybody.